Your 2022 to 2020 Jeep Renegade key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it yourself is easy and can save you money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the notch on the fob's side and gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, plus side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side up, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reassemble the fob and test the lock, unlock, and panic button functions. Always use a genuine Mopar battery to avoid warranty issues. First, avoid static discharge by not touching the battery terminals directly. Some recommend wearing gloves or using electrical tape on your tools to prevent damage. Eco-conscious users are switching to rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste. Also, be patient during reassembly to avoid damaging the fob's seals. While DIY replacement is simple, be aware that by 2026-2027, digital keys via smartphone apps might replace physical fobs, making battery replacements obsolete. Surveys show most Jeep owners perform this repair themselves, saving an average of $50 to $80 compared to dealership costs. However, improper reassembly can lead to a failure rate of about 5%.